Hello friends. Welcome to my channel TT Technical Teacher Alien. Today we will solve GTR San Andreas mouse problem of Windows 10 operating system. The mouse is not working. Let's solve the problem. First, open the text manager. Now click on the details option. Now let's explore the GTR San Andreas option and right-click on it. Now click on Set Affinity. Now unmark them all and mark the CPU 0 option. Now click the OK button. Now refresh your PC. Your mouse problem is fixed. The mouse is working now. Thank you for watching this video. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe to the channel.